Hey everyone, welcome to Guide on how to change language in Google Maps. Let's dive right in. First, open the Google Maps app on your smartphone. Once the app is open, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner to open the menu. In the menu, you will see several options like Your Places, Your Data in Maps, and more. Until you find Settings and tap on it. In the Settings menu, there are various settings you can adjust, but today we are focusing on changing the language. So, scroll down and tap on Voice Search option. Here, you will see a list of available languages. Google Maps supports many different languages, so just scroll through the list until you find your preferred language. Once you select your language, the app will update automatically to reflect your choice. This means that all the menus, options, and directions will be displayed in the language you chose. If the language doesn't change immediately, you might need to restart the app. To do this, simply close the app completely and then reopen it. Sometimes, restarting your phone can also help if the app language still doesn't update. Just power off your phone and turn it back on. And there you have it. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching.